Hi all, this is the second episode of Marketing Never Sleeps, and in today's short episode I'm going to cover Wix automation tool. It is not a sponsored advert, but I just thought it's something interesting to talk about. So the first thing about this, it's a new automation tool for the platform Wix. Now I normally don't cover Wix because it's quite a commercial, beginner-friendly tool. Now that's not a bad thing, but typically when it comes to customization, there is a lot of limitations. And for me, I find that that can be quite limiting when you're looking to go to the next step. And this is why I typically don't cover Wix. So let's talk about this new tool. So the new automation tool is there to let you grow your revenue and engagement. Now, of course, that is just a lot of marketing speak, but having had a look at it, it looks actually quite decent. So let's look into the kind of 4 features they're promising of this new tool. So the first feature is their intuitive automation design. This simplifies the process of creating advanced automations. This is simply great for beginners, and this is one of the key points of using platforms like Wix or Squarespace, is they typically make things really easy for the end user, so you don't have to have vast experience or go on a course to learn, about automations. The second bit they talk about is advanced customizations. Now, this I really love. This really brings out something next level when it comes to marketing, because you can test things on a completely new level that's very specific to your niche and specific to your audience. It's not a one size fits all. And human behavior, whilst similar, it does differ depending on what they buy, how often they buy it, where they're from, so on and so on. So this one is really exciting. The advanced customization is really, really good, and it supports conditions and formulas. It's a method of really creating advanced automations that don't just deliver on returning customers, but potential customers, and also ways you can kind of integrate it within your whole shopping experience. It's certainly a game changer, in my opinion. And the third thing we have is their centralized automation management. So with this, users can track the key metrics, adjust settings in real time, and probably most importantly, manage all automations no matter which apps they're connected to. So this makes it really easy to pull everything together into one place and, take control of your website. Lastly, we have their automation insights, their email automation insights, I should say. So this provides detailed reporting on email success rates and engagement. It really enables you to understand how to talk to your customers. So, for example, if you're doing A/B testing, you might change certain words. You might do one that's very formal, and you might do one version that is very casual. And that can be also tweaked by just, changing one word. So this is really exciting because a lot of the time marketers always, they love to test. It's one of the best ways to kind of grow your success rate and also understand what your customer wants to see and wants to click on. So this is a really, really important bit of kit. Hopefully that a lot of Wix users will utilize it to their advantage. So yeah, this is really exciting. It'll be great for businesses. Is this gonna, completely destroy other, platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce? I don't think so, but I think it will be very beneficial for beginner-friendly or beginners within the e-commerce space. It will also be beneficial for maybe for people that don't have any money to spend on developers or, work on a platform that requires developers. Maybe you're only looking to spend so much money per month. And yeah, this is very exciting. I do think this will be a game changer. And hopefully, this is something that more platforms will integrate within their platform. Normally, these automations are third party tools. And if they're not third party, they're normally quite expensive or too basic. But from the look of this, it certainly looks something really that's interesting. So yeah, that's today's episode of the podcast. I hope you try out the tool when it comes out and let us know how you get on with it.